be honest, the most fun part about medicine, in my opinion, is suturing. So I felt that we could translate that to these high schoolers because this is a fun aspect of medicine. So we thought it was a good lure activity to really get them hands-on.
You can let go of the needle driver and pick it up on the other side and pull the needle through.
My role was really just to explain things. The biggest thing was safety. We wanted to make sure that we talked to them about proper technique, how to hold their needle drivers.
You want to take the tip of your needle driver like this, and you want to put the needle in the needle driver.
That was a big part of it, for me to talk through these important points and then to have someone to actually show them.
So they have these suture kits at home, which they can just continue practicing with the needle driver. The easier it becomes, the easier your sutures and the better your sutures will look.
I'll be talking and running my mouth, and you guys can just keep on suturing. Angelica, can you tell me your name? Hello?
We don't feel a pulse. What should we do next, y'all?
I'll admit, I got super winded, and I'm glad that they were able to see that, because although it is a skill that I am very passionate about, that everyone knows, it is a difficult task.
We kind of related it more on a bigger clinical scheme, which they probably could see at least once or twice in their lifetime. So that's why we did it on anaphylactic shock or anaphylaxis. So someone who has allergies and they might go into anaphylaxis. She gave 30 chest compressions, and now I'm gonna give 2 breaths. Should be Selena. So Briana, or Dr. Collins, do you think we got her pulse back?
Let me check. Let's check.
Is she breathing? We saved Angelica!
When I see these girls and they're engaging, that just motivates me to not only be my best for them, but to continue on. And so just seeing them, they inspire us just as much to get through as we are supposed to inspire them.